short in it or not?
No, that's right, to be fair.
Yeah.
There's a new one in here, which is an 11 inch. And
Yeah.
obviously a 12. Let's have a much it's gone down.
Yeah, that's nuts, isn't it?
Quite small.
Yeah. That's that your day rate one?
Yeah.
We are currently trying to drain this hole because it had about 600 mil of water in it. The water table's really high and this garden's low, so everything seems to drain into this hole. Dangerously close to this pipe now, so we've just changed the buckets over. We know we're close, so we're just treading carefully now, just trying to skim off the top. And then we'll jump down with a shovel. We have fantastic news, we've located the pipe. We're going to make a connection onto here with a rubber coupling. We're going to install a new plastic pipe in our type 1 through here where we've linteled it, and then we're going to do a backdrop down, and then we're going to put a bend and we're going to do a connection onto that existing run. The reason we've done that was because it's going to save the client some money grubbing out that manhole. Carl, what a big achievement today that was. Obviously we started digging that hole out on Friday, late Friday, so the drainage is done from the existing run. We've bypassed and made that existing manhole redundant, come over the top of it with a new run. We've done a backdrop down and connected onto the existing one, and we've also branched off for our new kitchen waste. Good morning. Listen, today is the hottest day of the year so far. It's going to be an absolute blinder. We all know that when the sun comes out, the music's better, the day goes better, and you feel a lot better in yourself. Today, I've got the trailer on, so we've got the mixer. We're going to be doing the cavity fill today, so I've got a bulk bag of sand on. Got some pea shingle to go around the drainage pipe we done yesterday. I've got 100 metres of DPM from top of our sand blinding. We've also got a part load going today, and we've got 7 tonne coming at around about 10 o'clock. So game plan this morning, we're going to get set up here with a mixer and barra. We'll do a lean mix, we'll do the cavity fill while we're waiting for the type 1 to arrive. There we go, type 1's in, all whacked. Building inspector's booked in for tomorrow AM request. He wants to have a look at the DPM, the membrane. So we've got sand blindings going this. That's to protect the membrane, stop it getting punctured by the type 1, the MOT. And that's it for today. Plant has been picked up from Chelmsford Digger Hire. We bought the jet wash in today and we jet washed it all down. Concrete's in at 2 o'clock. With a pump as well. Do you prefer to barrow it using barrow boys or pay the extra to get the pump? I think it's around about 450 quid round our way. So there's a couple of ways that you can lap this damp membrane into the DPC is what they ask for. You can take the membrane up and onto the brickwork skin. When the brickies come in, they'll install a 450 damp on the inside skin and lap over the top. Neatly folded on the corners. You want to make sure you push that down there, otherwise when you get the concrete in it will all pull it away. So that's it, ready to rumble. Laser's set up as we pump it through, then we'll give it a little tamp. That's it, job done.
Remember, next time not to take the lead out.
That's for the fridge down there. There's always a way though, isn't there?